Hey everyone, it's been a while since I last posted a video. Creating content isn't my specialty since I dedicate most of my time to my full-time job. However, I've shared some content here before related to pixel art techniques and creating sprites for video games, both on this platform and on Udemy. Unfortunately, the last time I tried to create a course on Udemy, it was illegally shared across dozens of pirated content platforms, which was really discouraging. Now, creating a monetizable YouTube channel to live off it isn't my main goal, but generating enough passive income to afford ordering takeout a couple of times a week to avoid cooking, that's a reasonable goal that would help me save some time to focus on this channel. Before I continue, I want to apologize to anyone who doesn't like AI-generated voices. I'm a Spanish speaker, so this just helps me reach a broader audience. Today, I want to share an idea that's been on my mind for months, one I want to document and share with you as I learn along the way. It's about creating high-definition tilesets for isometric video games. The focus will be on exploring techniques that require minimal artistic skill, providing programmers and developers with methods they can use to create their own assets, especially when cutting down on budget is essential. Of course, if you're an artist, you'll also be able to get a lot of value from these techniques. The format I have in mind for this series is to share specific techniques in short videos. I'll cover multiple ways to achieve the same result, since there are many tools out there designed for different tasks. I'll be using tools like Aseprite, which will be my go-to for pixel art, as well as programs like Tilesetter, AI image creation tools, 3D software, and various other specialized programs. The goal of this series is to create fully functional tile sets with the proper connectivity needed for intricate map creation. While I'll be pushing the limits to achieve high-definition results, many of these processes can easily be adapted for lower resolutions and pixel art techniques, allowing you to resize your tiles to suit your needs. As for me, I'll be focusing on creating tile sets for real-time strategy games, in the style of StarCraft, but in high definition. An extraterrestrial environment seems interesting and fun to work on, but you can adjust the methods and techniques to fit the theme and style of your own game. My aim is to learn and share everything I can over the coming months. Techniques you can use to create your own isometric environments and maps tailored to your vision. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're interested in learning along with me, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates. See you soon.